Students, today we will continue our class with a new topic entitled as Wind, composed by Subramanya Bharati. Before going to poem, I would like to a short information about the poet. Subramanya Bharati is an Indian poet. He belongs to Tamil Nadu, so he is well known as Tamil poet. He was a true patriot, and whatever the thing he composed in a very simple language, so that whomever the reader is there can understand his feelings, what he want to express there. Now I am going to read poem before you. Just listen very carefully. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He would not do what you tell him. So, come, let us build strong homes. Let's joint the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Now listen the explanation of the poem very carefully. The Wind poem, which was composed by Subramanya Bharati, he expresses in his poem that he requests the wind to come softly and don't scatter the papers, neither destroy the things which comes before it, but the wind blows very harsh, and the books which are kept on the shelf are thrown down, tore the pages, scatter the things. Whatever the weak things come in the path, crumble them and crushes them, whether it is a weak house, weak doors, weak windows, whatever the big things come in the path of wind, it crushes them and crumble them. If you ask anything to wind, wind never supports. Whatever the strong thing is there, they never supports. They always supports the strong things. So, the poet advises us to make ourselves strong, firm, so that we can face any difficulties. When wind blows, it make the weak fire off, and the fire which is in strong condition, it spreads and make it roar. So poet wants to give us message that we should be firm in ourselves. Whatever the difficulties comes in our life, we should face in a firm manner with cool mind. Then only we can come over the difficulties. Okay guys, with this I stop my class today itself and will continue with new topic in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.